everybody. My husband's about to go putt some balls or whatever you do.
Golf ball.
I'm going to be puttering here. He's going to be putting on the thing.
Look at it.
Maggie.
Working out.
And so today is Organizational Wednesdays, so I'm trying to get my life together. It's shiny because I just did some skincare, so I'm going to try to do some organizational stuff. I had, with the Hurricane Florence, we had like a whole bunch of ants coming in, and I had to like show them the way back out, and some of them probably went to heaven. So I think I got a handle on them. I think they kind of knew that it was going to be only a category 2, but they were like, hey, let's go hang out in her place. Yeah, because it's fun. I don't know. The living room is okay, but I have to just put some fabric and stuff on it because, like I said, I was getting rid of the ants. I washed this. I'm going to put the covering back on. There's RJ's room. I got some luggage I'm going to deal with because they're moldy in the closet. But I'm going to tackle the kitchen like hard, because I've seen a couple of creepy crawlies, and it's probably partly our fault because we do keep food out, which is a big no-no. And if you guys ever have this is so awesome. I got this at the thrift store. It's like a running pet water fountain thing, and I got it because the cat, we had this bowl like this, and we would have it on the mat there, and he kept knocking it, and there would be water everywhere. So far this seems to be working. I think he likes kind of like for it to have running water because he is royalty and we have to treat him as such. So anyway, so I think I'm going to do a little straightening up, just a little bit of puttering while my husband's gone, and then hopefully make a trip to Sundays. Okay, so I finished, like I said, today's Organizational Wednesdays. So got a lot, all clear counters. Yep. Looking good. Still got some dishes in the sink, but that's okay. No more food. I'm gonna clean that off. There's still a few things I need to do. I always like to have a lamp in the kitchen at night because I'm a kind of a midnight snacker. And also I tend to stay up all night. Anyway, I got all this nicely organized. We're gonna get new thingies. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it looks. Very pleased. All that's left to do is, oh, we got this leak up here that we got to deal with. But anyway, all that I want to do is I want to get a bunch of lavender oil and deal with the Great Abyss. You know, these little corners here. I saw a gross critter crawl under the dishwasher. That always horrifies me. I still got to sweep that up. But I'm determined. Get some lavender oil and bust them out. They're not welcome here. Those critters are not welcome here, right, honey bun?
That's a good shot. Honey bun, yeah. Wait, but we got one critter right here.
That's okay. That's an acceptable critter.